The sculpture took 2,000 parts from 40 or 50 typewriters. I don't want them to be robots. I'm trying to make real people. My name's Jeremy Mayer, and I'm a sculptor. What I do is take apart all these typewriters into their smallest components and make animals and people out of them. I use only parts from the typewriter. I don't use any solder or glue or welding. For instance, in here, if I want to use that hole, I'll find a screw in my bin of screws with the right thread. Sometimes it takes a really long time. It'd be a lot easier to weld it or glue it, but then it wouldn't be interesting to me, and it wouldn't look how I want it to look. This is an angry cat. It's one of the first things I ever made. This is a self-portrait. This is me when I get old. This is the one I did most recently. It's a Chihuahua skeleton. Chihuahuas are such angry little pent-up, shaky creatures, and cool to portray it as like a badass robot. But the coolest thing I ever made is the sculpture of a woman made from typewriter parts. The sculpture took about a year to make. There are probably 2,000 parts from 40 or 50 typewriters. My girlfriend, Delilah, she modeled for it a little bit. I really wanted to make it soft and feminine. You know, I don't want them to be robots. You know, I'm trying to make real people. I'm trying to emulate real anatomy. The feet are made out of keys. The bigger toe is a shift key. The red pieces here from an Olympia portable. The nose is from an IBM Selectric. Comes out of the typewriter looking just like a nose, like it was meant to be a nose. There's several bells that make up the chin and the eyelids, and these are rubber rollers turned sideways. The toughest part was just making it sit up on one butt cheek. You know, I'm trying to get that posture and facial expression that suggests that the thing's about to get up and move. This sculpture made from typewriter parts is the coolest thing I've ever made.